ARC4 UIntN type can be used to represent various uint types with uint64 being the maximum size. This means uint8, uint16, uint32, and uint64 are all type aliases using ARC4.UIntN type under the hood. The way you use these uint types is the same as uint64 and has the same limitation. If you want to do math operations on them, you'll need to get the native value with the .native property. The native value of all of these ARC4 uint types is the native AVM uint64 type. However, the encoding of ARC4 uints will be smaller if it uses fewer bits. So for example, if you look at this code example, you can see that the byte length of uint8 is smaller than the rest of the uint sizes, and uint64 has the longest byte length. So in short, if you must use ARC4 uint type and need to optimize interacting with the smart contract or when using contract storage and boxes, you can define smaller size ARC4 uint types with ARC4.UIntN type.